demonstrating functioning carbon capture and sequestration project. That's the Dakota Gasification Facility. And I went there because I know that coal is important to our country's future, and I know that North Dakota and its technology can lead the way in terms of how we can capture carbon and how we can develop the coal resources of these United States. And it's because of my regard. Because at the end of the day, if we are going to be an energy independent nation, if we're going to create millions of new energy jobs here in America, if we're going to protect our children from the dangers of pollution, it's going to take all of us. It's going to take all of you. It's going to take us moving forward with oil and gas. It's going to take us moving forward with coal and learning how to burn coal in the cleaner fashion. It's going to take all of us to harness the great winds of North Dakota, making sure that we move the energy produced from wind and other renewables to places where it can be used. So it's going to take all of us to make us succeed in this challenge of our times, which is one of the most important challenges, in my view, of the 21st. The number one state with wind energy potential, the number one state, not number 10 and not number 50, but the number one state is North Dakota. North Dakota is the number one state with respect to wind energy potential. And so it is in that vein that we are working together to try to figure out ways of developing wind energy here in North Dakota and other places around the country, and also deal with the reality of transmission and how we transport the energy produced by the wind power here in North Dakota to places where it will be consumed in Chicago and other places in the Department of Energy is spending $80 million in the interconnection-wide transmission planning that will help facilitate moving renewable capacity from the places like North Dakota to places like the Midwest. So you will see a lot more coming from the Department of Energy as those grants are distributed, and they will be making those announcements in the next several weeks. In addition, the Department of Energy has loan guarantees and borrowing authority with WAPA in the neighborhood of $3.25 billion. That's $3.25 billion to help us create a 21st century transmission system for America. So transmission will be one of the keystones of our comprehensive energy plan as we develop renewable energy.